Now this is where we are going to have them. Just outside of the shed. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here it comes. That's the second, the latest one we did. There it goes. Now that's square. Yeah, go and watch Ashens' indoor fireworks thing. Wow.
She's making fireworks out of boating flares.
It's red hot.
Alright.
Okay. Now the very first one. This is going to go red,
I think this
green,
is the one with
red.
match heads in it.
Let's see. Okay, just lighting the sparkler now. There it goes. Here comes the fire. Red. Red.
There go the match heads.
Green is shred. Smoking out the rats whether they like it or not. And red hot again.
I usually make these and shove them down.
Hot smoke was coming out of there. I'm about to run out here.